Welcome to Dr. Hallar online class. Today we will be seeing the calculation which is involved for the synthesis of 38 ATPs during aerobic conditions. Now here the detailed calculations for the synthesis of 38 ATPs during aerobic conditions is given. We know that during glycolysis ATP, how many ATPs are produced during glycolysis? That is equals to 2. Then how many ATPs produced during TCA cycle is equals to 2. Therefore, total ATP productions during glycolysis and TCA cycle is equals to 2 plus 2, that is 4 ATP. Fine. Now we need to say how many NADH are produced during oxidative phosphorylation. NADH production through oxidative phosphorylation. NADH production through glycolysis. How many NADH are produced during glycolysis? 2 NADH are produced during glycolysis. Then NADH production through pyruvate oxidation. If we can recall that at the or in the presence of oxygen, during glycolysis, glucose is converted to pyruvate, and pyruvate is getting oxidized into acetyl CoA, which is the starting of the TCA cycle. There, NADH producing. That's why NADH produced through pyruvate oxidation is equals to 2. There, 2 NADH are producing, and NADH production through TCA cycle, that is equals to 6. If you can recall that the total cycle of the TCA cycle, then we can think that the 6 number of NADH was produced during TCA cycle. Therefore, in terms of NADH, during glycolysis, 2 NADH are producing, during pyruvate oxidations, another 2 NADH, and during TCA cycle, 6 NADH are producing. So, total NADH production through oxidative phosphorylation is 6 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8, 10. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 NADH. Now, what about FADH2? Another reducing coenzyme which is produced through oxidative phosphorylation. If you can recall, FADH produced through TCA cycle, that is 2. So 2 FADH are produced during TCA cycle. The total of FADH production through oxidative phosphorylation is 2. Fine. So total number of ATP production during glycolysis and TCA cycle is 4. Total NADH production through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 10. Total FADH2 production through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 2. Now the interesting part is 1 NADH is equivalent to 3 ATPs. How many NADH is producing? Total we saw in the previous slide, total 10 NADH are producing. Therefore, the total ATP production from NADH through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 3 into 10 ATP, that is 30 ATP. Similarly, 1 FADH2 is equivalent to 2 ATP. So total how many FADH2 is producing? 2 FADH2. 2 FADH2. Therefore, total ATP production from FADH2 through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 2 into 2, that is 4 ATP. So, in aerobic condition, the total number of ATP produced through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 34. There is another type of phosphorylation. What is that? And that happens in the aerobic condition. What is that? Apart from oxidative phosphorylation, there is another called phosphorylation which is called as substrate level phosphorylation. And it was seen in aerobic condition, the total number of ATP produced through substrate level phosphorylation is 4. So 34 plus 4 is equals to 38. So I told you there are two kinds of phosphorylation during aerobic conditions or in aerobic condition. One is oxidative phosphorylation, another one is substrate level phosphorylation. The number of ATP produced through substrate level phosphorylation is 4, whereas number of ATP produced through oxidative phosphorylation is equals to 34. So 34 plus 4 equals to 38. Therefore, in aerobic condition, the total number of ATP production is 38. Now we all be knowing how 38 ATPs are producing during aerobic conditions as a result of this oxidative metabolisms, oxidative phosphorylations and substrate level phosphorylation. Fine. And during anaerobic condition, we all know there will be production of 2 ATPs. Hope this calculation will help all of you to understand uh, what is happening and how this 38 ATP is producing. Thank you.